What can I do for you?
O que é que podemos fazer por si?
I can give you
lúpus discoide.
Lupus?
Lúpus.
okay.
Discoide.
Discoid?
Discoide, not systemic.
Not systemic. Localized lupus. Lupus, sorry.
E tenho uma depressão associada.
And also depressed.
Depressed?
Depressed. She's
Oh,
depressed. She's
depressed.
feeling depressed.
Okay, feeling depressed.
Exactly.
Okay.
No, it's associated to the lupus.
Yeah, but you feel.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
You yourself, you agree that you also feel depressed.
I'm medicated, estou medicada e tenho esta lesão há muitos anos.
5, 10, 15, 20.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Or more?
A primeira foi há 20 anos.
The first lesion appeared around 20 years ago.
Here.
There.
Aqui. Desapareceu.
Disappeared.
E esta agora
And this new one
tem 10 anos.
has around 10 years.
Okay.
Okay?
Any other lesion somewhere or just there?
Tive melanoma há 5 anos.
5 years ago she had a
Melanoma.
Skin cancer.
Skin cancer.
Yes, skin cancer. That era superficial.
Superficial.
Ficou resolvido.
And it was solved.
It's okay.
Okay. For the lupus, any other lesion than this one?
Não, only dores e cansaço.
No other lesion, just pain and tired.
Okay. Where do you feel the pain?
Everywhere.
Well,
Here, nas orelhas, aqui.
on the shoulder, in the ears, in the knees, in the ankles.
Varia.
Erratic pain.
E não é pontual, é difusa. Okay?
And spreads around.
It's not one point.
It's not one fixed point, it
One area.
radiates.
Okay.
Every day you have pain somewhere?
Todos os dias tem uma queixa de dor alguns.
Yes. Ontem era este dedo.
Yes, it was the thumb.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
it was the thumb. So yes, she usually every day has some complaint about the pain somewhere.
Okay. And this lesion, how do you feel this lesion?
Assanhada, não sei como é que se diz.
Irritada,
Irritada.
So some irritation in the skin.
Irritation.
Okay. At the moment, do you feel that irritation?
Não. Only só se eu tocar.
Only if she touched the lesion.
Okay. Then if you touch, you feel it's burning or irritated? Burning.
It's like, é como
Uma sensação de queimadura.
como queimadura.
Okay. So it's more on the gallbladder on that side. UB and GB.
Portanto, a afetar o canal da bexiga e da vesícula biliar.
Okay. Is it changing in shape or in sometimes in diameter?
Yes. Começou assim.
Started with this side and
And
become
now-
bigger.
Okay. So it's not like sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller. It's progressively getting bigger and bigger.
A queda de cabelo, né, tem sido,
And also the hair loss, it's increasing.
Okay.
mas a ferida não, é daquele tamanho.
The lesion, it's stable, only the hair loss, it's becoming with a bigger area.
Okay. Okay. The lesion is the same as the hair loss.
Exactly.
Okay. Does your pain or anything bother your sleep?
Sim,
Okay.
acordo durante a noite por causa das dores.
She awakes during the night because of the pain.
Heart 7,
7 do coração,
3,
3,
St. Joe 3,
Sanchao 3,
10,
10,
Gallbladder 34, Dr. Tan's,
o 34 da vesícula biliar do Dr. Tan,
Gallbladder 41,
41 da vesícula biliar,
Kidneys 3,
3 do rim,
10,
10 do rim. Por favor, tente tocar na lesão e ver como é que está a sensação de queimadura e sensibilidade.
You can move your arm a little bit. Yeah, no problem. Just do slowly, slowly.
Devagar por causa da agulha no pulso.
menos sensível.
Less sensitive.
Less sensitive? Okay, very good. Is there any way you can manage to say, okay, maybe 50% less, or more than that, or less than that, or it's hard to tell? 80% less? Very good. Thank you.
Possível cerca de 80%.
Okay, we leave it like that. I'm just going to add you a few more needles.
Então, vai apenas adicionar algumas agulhas.
So, onion,
Onion,
Yuan,
chama da orelha,
então,
então,
onion again,
novamente onion
and Yuan.
e o chama da orelha.
Okay, and now you just breathe in, breathe out, and relax, and ignore me. Okay?
It's too difficult.
Am I balancing gallbladder?
Vem alguma ação benéfica para a vesícula biliar?
Am I balancing the UB?
Estamos a agir sobre a bexiga?